A hearty good morning to all. From our social studies book, in page number 286, we have lesson 10 in which we would talk about India's natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation talks about the plant life which is known as flora. Okay? And wildlife talks about the animals which is known as fauna. So, in this lesson, we will talk about flora and fauna. Alright? Students, there are about 47,000 plant species and 89,000 species of animals in India. You can imagine what a greenery the nature has gifted us. Not only this, but some lovely and pretty companions are there whom we domesticate and tame them. They belong to the wildlife. Okay. So students, today we will talk about natural vegetation. Alright. In your surrounding areas or in the environment, you might have seen different kinds of trees, bushes, thorny plants, grasses, and so on and so forth scattered over, isn't it? If there are no trees and plants somewhere, grass you might have seen. Did any person planted these grasses? No, isn't it? Similarly, some bushes and shrubs also we can see. When the seeds are carried by the wind and gets rested over the soil, then naturally what happens? It starts germinating, isn't it? And at last it takes the form of bushes or shrubs or plants or trees. Okay? So, whatever bushes, shrubs, plants or trees are grown over in our surrounding or environment without the care of any human being is known as natural vegetation. Clear? In other words, we can say the grasses, bushes, shrubs, plants or trees which grow on their own without human interference is known as natural vegetation. Alright? Natural vegetation is really a gift from nature, isn't it? Students, as we have talked that there are 47,000 species of plants, like that about 15,000 species of flowering plants are there in India. In the modern time, people have cut down many trees for their own profit and exploited the natural trees and plants. So, we should realize our mistake. Why? Because in every step of our life, plants are friendly for giving fuel, food, medicine, and overall oxygen to live a healthy life. Isn't it? So, these were our talkings about natural vegetation. Thank you.